Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some thrilling news from the world of space exploration. Virgin Galactic's VSS Unity just completed its final commercial suborbital spaceflight on June 8th, and the mission was nothing short of spectacular. Let's dive into the details. On that eventful day, VSS Unity took off from Spaceport America in New Mexico at 10:31 a.m. Eastern, attached to its mothership, VMS Eve. About an hour later, Unity separated from Eve and soared to an altitude of 87.5 kilometers, giving its crew an unforgettable suborbital experience before gliding back to a smooth landing. This mission, named Galactic 07, featured a diverse crew including a Turkish research astronaut, Tuva Atasever, whose flight was arranged by Axiom Space. Tuva wasn't just along for the ride, he conducted 7 experiments during the flight. At a press conference after landing, he shared that the experiments, ranging from brain activity sensors to radiation dosimeters and insulin pens, were a huge success. One of the highlights was testing the overview effect, a psychological phenomenon experienced when seeing Earth from space. Atasever wasn't alone on this incredible journey. 3 private astronauts, whose identities were revealed only after landing, joined him. They were Andy Sadwani, a principal propulsion engineer at SpaceX; Irving Pergament, a New York real estate developer and private pilot; Giorgio Manenti, an Italian investment manager based in London. Commanding Unity was Nicola Pacile, making his 4th flight, with Jamil Janjua piloting on his first spaceflight. This mission marked the 7th commercial flight for VSS Unity and the 12th flight overall. And it was a historic one, as it was Unity's last mission before Virgin Galactic shifts focus to the new Delta series of vehicles. Mike Moses, Virgin Galactic's Spaceline president, shared the exciting news that the Delta-class vehicles promise higher flight rates and lower operating costs, essential for the company's future. He emphasized that while Unity's design was groundbreaking, Delta will be revolutionary, incorporating advanced materials and manufacturing techniques. Steve Justice, Senior Vice President of Spaceline Programs and Engineering at Virgin Galactic, added that the Delta-class vehicles will benefit from all the lessons learned from Unity. The first components of these new vehicles will arrive at Virgin Galactic's facility in Arizona later this year, with flight tests scheduled for late 2025 and commercial service beginning in 2026. Richard Branson, Virgin Galactic's founder, was present for Galactic 07. He expressed his ongoing commitment to making space accessible to thousands of people. He remarked that while other companies aim for Mars, Virgin Galactic's mission is to allow as many people as possible to experience spaceflight. This marks the end of an era for VSS Unity, but it also heralds the beginning of a new chapter for Virgin Galactic. Unity showed us what's possible, and now Delta is set to revolutionize space travel. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting space news. Until next time, keep looking up.